If R and S are positive numbers and theta is one of the operations either plus, minus, multiplication, division, then which operation is theta? Let's check the first statement. R is equal to S and they are both positive, then R theta S is equal to 0. Now in which case R theta S can be 0? If we have two positive numbers, let's check. Is R plus S equal to 0? Can the sum of two positive numbers be 0? The answer is definitely no. The second possibility, if the theta symbol is taken as negative, is R minus S, can R minus S be equal to 0 if R is equal to S? Then the answer is definitely yes, because 2 minus 2 will be equal to 0, so theta definitely can be negative sign. That's one possibility. Now third possibility, let's quickly check. Can R multiplied by S be equal to 0 if these are two positive numbers? The answer is definitely no, so it is out. And the fourth case is R divided by S equal to 0. Can the division of the two positive numbers ever be equal to 0? The answer is definitely no. So we have only one possibility, that this theta symbol is representing an operation which is minus, and hence the first statement alone is sufficient to answer the question. So the answer has to be either option A or option D. Now let's check the second statement. The second statement says that R is not equal to S and R theta S is not equal to S theta R. Now, the multiplication between two numbers is independent of their orders, which means if theta were multiplication, then these two things would have been equal, but if they are not equal, that means theta is definitely not multiplication. Also, the addition is again independent of the order, that means R plus S will be same as S plus R, and since these two parts are not equal, so theta is definitely not equal to plus sign as well. Now let's quickly check the next thing, negative. So R minus S will not be equal to S minus R, because these two numbers are not equal, so one will be positive, one will be negative, which means theta can definitely be a negative sign. That's one possibility. And second possibility could be that R divided by S will not be equal to S divided by R, because in that case one result will be greater than one, other result will be less than one, because these are two positive distinct numbers. So theta can very well be equal to the division sign. We have two possibilities, therefore the second statement alone is not sufficient to answer the question, and the final answer to the question becomes option A, because the first statement alone is sufficient but the second statement alone is not sufficient. Thank you so much.